I'm back with another video, and it has been a while since I did a video. So basically, we're setting up the studio, and I'm gonna be recording that. It might be like a short video because we're gonna do time lapse. I'm talking way too fast, but yeah, it's gonna be super good. We're gonna be doing editing in there. We're gonna be doing acting stuff in there, like monologue, improv, I don't know, other stuff like that. And yeah, I need to stop talking and just show you guys. Okay, so this is what we have at first. We have the tape and stuff.
Once she sees it in action, she'll be like,
they're going.
This actually fire for them.
Look, and this is what they've done so far. They're already complaining about there's like not enough, but I think it'll be good. So we kind of just finished one wall, kind of. We're gonna need a lot more. Yeah, we're gonna need like a lot more. We got 96, so there's this much left, including this. But we're gonna need more, a lot more. We can tell, and maybe more tape. Who knows? Probably. Yeah, maybe. But yeah, and she's messing with stuff.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad actually. So yeah, update will be probably in like a couple of days or something. Okay, so it's been about 2 days since I last recorded, and the lighting for the studio came, and we're about to unbox it. So we got more tape. We didn't open the lighting yet, and all the foam. We tried to stick it up, but it all fell, obviously, because it wasn't that good. So that's why we got more, and we're about to start.
So we went and we copped some more tape to put this stuff up. Like Leia said, we got the lighting. There's Leia, so she's not just behind the camera all day, hiding from everybody.
So we're about to start unboxing the lighting kit.
So, let's get
We're gonna have to have the SpongeBob clip 3 hours later.
Exactly.
This is me time lapse, right?
Yeah.
Dale gets his dream to open the box.
Another box.
Oh my god.
Plus there'll be like 5 boxes. Just hold that box. This box. Delete this. Alright. There. We'll cut that part out.
Yep.
Box number 2. Leia's gonna take care of it for us.
First incision.
Just don't cut all the way through and
into the stomach.
cut the lighting.
Yeah. I didn't. Okay. First incision done into the stomach. The guts will be coming out soon. Be careful. One little touch and your fingers are off. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, Jemmy, are you struggling in there?
What happened, Jimmy?
Oh, here we go. Shout out to Leia. Now it's time to actually get into this.
Boom.
$200. Better be worth it.
You better be.
So, we have one of the LED lights, and this is the second one, which means those are going to be the stands. So,
Yeah.
we'll start up opening the stands, then we can
Yep.
put the lights on afterwards. Come on, Dale. So, we have one of the lighting stands, basically a tripod for the lights. This is the stand. It goes up to, I believe, about 75 inches. So you can get some pretty good height on this. Yep. So, seems like you just extend it like that.
Also, by the way, guys, it's not Halloween. My mom just put that up there for some reason.
How do I do this without breaking it? How about we look at the instructions first?
Yeah.
Which are not in the box.
You push,
Wait.
it's like, you have to push it out.
Oh, this goes down.
Instead of, oh.
That's how you do it. And then you tighten it with this. So you loosen it with this and then you tighten it.
I'm like, just in case you want to be more stable.
Then of
What
course,
is this?
these are used to extend it.
Oh, that's cool.
So then it goes pretty tall. You basically have 4 different extensions here.
On the foam side, we're kind of struggling a little bit. Instead of doing 20 on the first wall. We're doing 24 because we had to. And
Engineer, you approve this?
No.
Alright, well, Dell's gonna open up the first lighting. Or you can if you want.
Sure.
Camera flip. Leia's gonna open up. Well, Leia and Dell, you guys can open it together. Here we go. Opening the first light.
Ooh.
Ooh, and it comes in a nice case.
Okay.
That looks clean.
It's fire.
It's like a case.
It's like a case thing. Oh my god.
Around.
Okay. The zippers are back here. So I'm gonna unzip carefully. ASMR.
Newer.
Okay, it's stuck. Oh no, it's not stuck. And this one goes this way.
So slow and dramatic.
Oh, and this opens. Okay.
Ooh, that's clean. That looks
That's
so
so good.
nice.
Okay. This is thank you for purchasing. Okay. You guys can see that. And then pause if you want to read it because I don't.
Yeah,
Okay.
ain't nobody care about all that. We might need these instructions, but you guys don't care about that either until we actually start setting it up. So we'll go ahead and remove it carefully.
Leia, how do the deep? Because I'm not.
I think
Maybe I should do this.
camera flip.
So we're gonna begin removing the light. Looks like this is the piece that's probably gonna attach to the top of the stand there.
Yeah, that's mean that's the tighten it.
So where is okay?
More things in the box.
So
But
if
we'll
you
get
look
to
at
that
the back, you have the option on and off switch, yellow light, white light, and then you also have a dimmer.
after. Ooh.
So
Fires.
This is so good.
Then let's get to the wires.
wait, one thing at a time.
Oh, okay.
So you also can open these. These help direct the light in the path that you want. So you adjust this to direct the light. Which I just said. You can put that second time I said it out.
Where's that coming out?
Ooh.
Ooh.
So here are the wires. Just used to power the device.
No, why are you so awkward?
Yeah. Camera flip.
Wait, what?
And Leia's gonna grab this last piece, which I have no idea what it
Okay,
is.
we don't know which one's power, but you know, I think this one's power though, because I see the thing where you plug it in. So we're not gonna really open anything right now because I don't want to lose anything, and you don't eat these.
Yeah, that can kill you.
Okay, we're just gonna put stuff back and then.
And then
Go back to
wait, yeah.
phone.
I'm gonna start
Ooh,
reading
you
this.
can put the wires in here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So good.
Wait, do we keep this in here? The
Yeah, I
styrofoam?
think so. Just
Oh yeah, because
like
it has somewhere to place it.
He's putting the stand on.
So once I tighten it,
Well, not the stand, but the light. He's putting the light on the stand. Scratch that. Okay.
Look how movable this is,
That's gonna be so good.
but it's still not on good.
We'll figure it
Screw
out.
it all the way. See, that's not how it goes.
This is tough. We're kind of struggling. We might have to look up a video or something. As usual.
Yeah, we might have to. Because it doesn't really explain. It just says mount it, but it doesn't say anything. Use this to tighten it. Rotate the standing fixed knob clockwise so it locks securely. My bad.
So, after watching a video, I think we know how to do it.
Yes.
Alright. Oh!
Bruh. Okay,
Here we go.
let's do this once again.
First we have to unscrew this. Give it some room so it can fit all the way on. That's probably what it was. I probably didn't unscrew it enough so it didn't have room to actually go all the way in.
Yeah.
Now we've placed this here all the way down.
Yeah.
Oh, see? Yeah.
And then
Now
screw
it's on.
And now I
It
screw
just wasn't
unscrewed enough.
Too screwed in.
yeah, so it just probably hit it there and then it
That's
didn't let
what
us.
I was also gonna say when I examined it.
Yeah, so then you
Yeah.
boom, just like that.
We can go ahead and do the other
And we're
one.
good to go. So now
We just need to connect
we can
the
go ahead and
wires.
plug it in and actually check out how this lighting works. But first we're gonna finish the foam, then we'll come back to that.
But where?
But this is what we got done.
Just use one on that, just so we can at least place that one.
One wall done. She's, you know,
Oh, yeah,
putting
it
the
does.
thing.
Nice, Jenny.
She covered it a little bit, you know. Second wall. When we get more money, we'll add around the sides.
You should.
Third wall. This is how much it's gonna be. Fourth wall. You know, we need more tape, so we couldn't even finish it. So, yep. But that's how much we got done, and next weekend or tomorrow, I don't even know. Tomorrow or next weekend we'll do more. So I'll catch you guys up when we do that. It's taking longer than expected.
I'll get it later.
Okay, so they're putting up the backdrop. I'm gonna put on this light because I can't really see anything.
Oh, that actually helps.
Boom. But let's make it. Yeah, let's make it white. Just things around here.
There, move your finger.
White. Puff it, Mike.
Good?
Just puff it. Oh my God, it's looking good so far, guys.
I kind of want to pull it out, but wow.
Oh my God, this is gonna be so good.
The only hope is
It's not as good as other people's like gaming, you know. But for us, it's super good.
It's a start. Yeah,
This
no,
is
it's
a
great.
good start. It's really
You
good.
can't compare to people that have, you know,
Yeah, have like.
thousands and thousands into.
Okay, so we're setting up both the lights. Here, I'm gonna turn this one on.
Leia, if you read it, left is the battery and right is the adapter.
What's the
That's
adapter?
what the two switches are. Adapter is just the power outlet, basically.
Wow.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cool. Light right there, light right there. Yeah. Oh my God! Wait, close the door, close the door. Like to see the full.
You have a white light on. Let's put on.
It's going to think. Okay. It's like both like light coming this way, light coming this way.
Oh, you have yellow and white.
And then when we like doing pressure.
What's the setting on this one?
Okay, so next day, Easter. Happy Easter, guys. And we finished this wall because we got more tape. And we did the ceiling. But it's dipping. So, once again, we need a little more tape. We're going to go back to Home Depot in like a week or something and finish. Taking photos for the first time in studio. You already know.
Oh, that's actually on fire.
look at the yellow. Look at it versus like. They're the same pretty much.
Yeah.
It's so fire. We literally just got more tape for no freaking reason. We just got more tape and now we're returning it. So I bought more tape, but right when we got home, they said we weren't going to use the tape. I'm like, what the? They literally said we're not using the tape. So we went back the same day and got what was dirty. This spray thing. Obviously it's Home Depot because like where else would we go? Like we've been going there for like freaking days, bro, I swear. Okay, so we got that. My cousin just came, sprayed, and we finished sealing, and hopefully it'll stay this time. Hopefully everything will stay this time. So this is how it is. I love it. We're gonna, you know, extend it, expand it, make it better throughout the year, but for now, it's pretty good. So after we finished all the foam, we went to IKEA and got this desk.
Wait,
my seat,
John's my daughter.
right?
Shut up.
And when she
And
got
my
up,
uncle's here.
he said, "You my
And Lance
seat."
is doing nothing,
Give him AC.
of course.
He has a nice bowl, clean.
But
His shoes are nice and everything, right?
Yeah.
it's gonna be good. This is what the studio looks like. We put the chair here, and look.
Cleaned it really well.
Look clean, yeah.
Where's the micro? Where's the
I put it
micro?
under your phone.
Guys, can you make it go
It
back?
looks so fire. Throughout this year, we're gonna extend the foam and make basically the studio better. But for now, it's super fire. So
You're buying a chair from her anyway.
that's the end of the video.
What about your
Hope
game
you
chair?
guys liked the
It's in
video.
the other house right now.
If
I'm
you
gonna put
did,
another one. Yeah,
like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.